Every CipherLab product is covered by the CipherLab Standard Warranty. To extend accidental damage coverage, you can purchase CipherLab Service Advantage Essential or Premium warranty plans. Focus on growing your business while CipherLab protects your devices. The Essential and Premium plans are ideal for heavy device users who require frequent device repairs. Get your devices repaired quickly, minimize downtime, and stay productive. Our technicians will repair your damaged device within 2 to 3 working days of receiving it, with up to free two-way shipping depending on your warranty plan. When the repaired device is returned to you, your pre-existing operating system, business apps, and custom software will remain unchanged as they were initially manufactured. It saves you time from reconfiguring or reinstalling. Your device is back working right away. When repairing your device, the software also improves. Your device will have updated security patches. If necessary, the Android operating system can also be upgraded. For cases not covered by the warranty plan guarantees a free repair after 90 days of the same issue. Choosing the Essential or Premium plan also provides remote cloud software. This helps with configuration and deployment of multiple devices. Don't know how to track your repair progress in real time? Simply log into CipherLab's online RMA system and you can track the repair progress on the website. To extend your warranty coverage, you can also add CipherLab battery insurance to your warranty. It is available in 2 plans for your businesses. It provides battery health monitoring for your CipherLab devices. Once your battery falls below 80% of its capacity, you will be proactively notified of battery replacement. With our battery insurance, you can rest assured your device will always deliver full shift performance to complete daily tasks. Moreover, the inventory management cost is reduced with less battery stock required. CipherLab Essential and Premium warranties and battery insurance are valuable investments. They give you the flexibility and accountability to keep your business running smoothly.